everyone, welcome to this tutorial. We are delving into the core of JavaScript statement. Get ready for a comprehensive journey through the fundamental building blocks of JavaScript code. So, what are statements? JavaScript code is a composed of statements is serving as an introduction or for the computer to perform a specific action. So, JavaScript is a declaring variable is fundamental. JavaScript provides three ways: var, let, and constant. So, now I am declare is variable declaration. Explore variable declaration is. So, now I am writing basic statement in statement.js file. So first I am create is basic statement is let and is greeting and is equal and double quotation is hello, then semicolon. And I am create is again let, third and name is equal and quotation is developer and quotation and semicolon. Now I am again use is let method and create is message and is equal is greeting and plus is name, then semicolon. And I am call is console method is console dot log and print is message. So, and semicolon. In this code, we are declared variable concatenate string and used the console log statement to output our message. Its line is a statement is a set of instructions for the terminal. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is hello developer. So in this tutorial, I am also discuss is if-else statement. Now let's add some decision making to our code with conditional statement. Enter the world of if-else statement. So first time create is conditional statement is if-else. So now create is let and create is our is equal new and create is date and use dot get hour is get hours and then parenthesis and semicolon. And now I am use is let greeting method and then semicolon. And now I am create is if statement and use hour and less than 12 and curly braces and side is greeting method and is equal and is good morning and then semicolon. And now I am use is else statement and then curly braces is greeting and is equal is good evening. Good evening and semicolon. Now I am call is console method is console dot log and it's greeting. And then save this code and run. Now in this code, we are checking the current hour and greeting accordingly. If it's before known it's a good morning, otherwise it's a good evening. So let me run this code, and as you can see the result is good evening. And in this JavaScript statement I have done is basic declaration and discussion in this topic, and there you have it, the symphony of JavaScript statements, from the basic of variable declarations and of making with conditions and navigates with jump statement and save gradually with statement are the nodes that compose the methodology of your code. So go ahead, you write your code and let your sing. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our JavaScript series. Today we are going to dive deep into the fundamental aspect of your programming language syntax. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of JavaScript syntax. So we'll explore various elements that make up the language. So first, let's start it with the basic variables and data types. In the JavaScript, we use the var, let, or constant keyword to declare variables that me show you. First time create is var and use is my var and is equal is 10. And now I am use is let and is my let is equal and hello, and then semicolon. Now I am create is constant and is my constant is equal and it's t and its constant is equal is true and then semicolon. In this code, we are a declared variable using var, let, and constant with different data types: a number, a string, and a boolean. Var has function scope, that let has block scopes, and constant is for variable, constant variable. So, in this tutorial, I am create a basic syntax and using object array way to group related data and functions. They are essential for organizing complex code. So now I am create is this program. So first I am create is first let person and is equal is curly braces and is first name is equal is 𝐁𝐞𝐬𝐭 and then semicolon, it's not equal, okay, and now I am create is last name and is Smith and I use is age is equal 25 and I am use again is great method. Great is function is parenthesis and semicolon is and curly braces inside is called console.log and use create is hello then comma, and use is this method is this dot first name, and again is plus and single quotation, and use is plus symbol, and this dot last name, and is a sign and single quotation, and then semicolon, and call is and call person grade method, person dot grade method, and parenthesis. So in this code for JavaScript syntax is using, we have an object is person with properties like first name and last name, and the method is grade that logs a grade using the properties. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is hello, and first name is Johan and last name is Smith. So in this tutorial, we are covered fundamental aspect of JavaScript syntax. So its use, variable and object. Understanding this basic is crucial as you continue your journey in JavaScript. So thank you for joining me. Hello everyone, greeting fellow coders. Today we are delving into the essential aspect of JavaScript comments. Unravel the power of comments in making your code more readable and maintainable. So what are comments? Comments are non-executable lines in your code that provide explanations, notes, and documentation. They play a role in communicating your code's logic. So first time comments is two types, a single line comments and multi-line comments. First time discussed is single line comments are the simplest form of the comments, perfect the short explanation. So now I am create a single line comment. So let's start it. And first time create is let and is equal 25 and semicolon, and this I now am use is single line comment is this is a single line comment, and now you are understand how to use is single line comments for quick notes and classification within your code. And this is a single line code. And now I am create a multi-line comments. When your comments are a bit more expensive, multi-line comments are come to the request. So now let me create is multi-line comments. And so first time create is let method, and is user is equal and parenthesis, and is name, and is double quotation Alice, and then comma, and again create is age, and is 27, then comma, and in this line is semicolon. So in this code now I am is comment out. So first time create is / and star, so and again then /. So in this line it's just message is This is a multi-line comments, and now this is a multi-line comments, and dig into how multiple lines are useful for detailed explanations or commenting out entire block of code. So in this tutorial, now I am create is best practice for comment. So now I am create effective use of comments involves certain best practice to enhance readability. So first I am create is create let method is x=10, and in this line I am comment line use double forward slash is increment is x, and now I am again create is let and use count equal is 10, and then semicolon, and now I am create again is comment is increment the count variable. So in this code, you understand the best practice such as using clear and concise comments and avoiding unnecessary comments that duplicate code. So comments are your coding comprehensive, guiding you and others through your code. Mastering the use will undoubtedly level up your programming skill. So practice incorporating comments in your code, explore different documentation style, and stay tuned for more coding tips. So like, share, and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. We are revealing the world of operators in JavaScript from basic arithmetic to complex operators. Join us on this journey to understand the key operators, the power of your JavaScript code. So now what are operators? Operators in JavaScript are symbols that perform operations on operand. They are the building blocks of expression, enabling you to manipulate values and create dynamic behavior in your code. Now in this tutorial, I am discuss is simply arithmetic operators. So now I am discuss is the addition operator is plus icon adds number, and the assignment operator is equal assign a value to a variable. So now let's create the assignment operator is assign a value to a variable. So now I'm create and assign the value is let the value 5 to x is x equal 5, and semicolon. Now I am create is another value is y equal 10, and now I am create is let and z is equal x plus y, and semicolon. It's a assignment operator is addition operator. So in this code, and now I am call is console.log and just print z and semicolon. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is addition is 15. And now I am again create in this operator use subtraction operator. So let subtraction and save and run. As you can, the result is -5. And I am also use the multiplication operators and multiple numbers. So this operator is multiplication. So, and save and run. As you can see, the result is 50. And now I am create is division for operator and just okay and save and run. As you can see, the result is 0.5. In this topics, operators.js is simply discussed in this tutorial. So in this operator are different types. So arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, string operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, ternary operators, and last one is type operators. So in this tutorial, and we are covered a range of operators in next tutorial on JavaScript, from arithmetic and assignment operators fully discussed next tutorials. So understanding this is essential for writing powerful and expensive code for operators. So thank you for joining me today. Hello fellow learners. Today we are diving deep into the fundamental world of JavaScript arithmetic operations. Join me in this journey to master the art of manipulating numbers, performing calculation, and unleashing the powerful of arithmetic. Welcome to Mastering JavaScript Arithmetic Operations. So let's get started. So now I am discuss is addition and subtraction. Let's start with the basic addition and subtraction. These are fundamental operations that you will use frequently in your code. So here are some examples. So now I am create is let and x is equal 10 and let y is equal 5, then semicolon. And now I am create is let sum is equal x addition y, then semicolon, and let difference is equal x minus y and semicolon, then console.log and its use first sum, and this line is copy and paste its difference. In this code, we have variable x and y, and we use the plus operator for addition and minus for subtraction. Sum will be, so save this code and run. As you can see, the result is sum will be 15 and difference will be 5. So now I am create is multiplication and division. Now let's move on the multiplication and division. These operators are essential for various calculations. So let's create it. So now I am create is in this line is same as, and its sum is not sum, it's product, and its sign is to multiplication, and its quotient, and its is division operator. and its product, and it's the quotient. So save this code, and in this code we use for multiplication and for division product will be. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is product will be 50 and quotient will be 2. So in this tutorial, last one discuss is module operator. So now let me module operator. The module operator returns the remainder of a division. It's useful for various scenarios such as checking if a number is even or odd. So let's see how it works. So first time create is in this line is delete, and it is reminder, and use is reminder operator, and console.log is its reminder, and this line is delete. And in this code we use the percentage operator for the module operation. Reminder will be the division leaves a remainder of 1. So save this code and run. As you can see, in this is console.log is reminder, and in this tutorial that warms up our exploration of arithmetic operations in JavaScript. And we have covered addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulo operator. So understanding these operations is fundamental is working with numbers in JavaScript. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it while others are learning JavaScript. Stay tuned for more exciting JavaScript tutorials in the future. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our JavaScript series. Today we are going to dive into the world of assignment operators, a crucial part of JavaScript that allows us to assign values to variables in a variety of ways. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of different assignment operators and how to use them effectively in your code. So assignment operator is, let's start it with the most fundamental assignment operator. The equal sign is assign the value as the right of the variable on the left. So let's create it. Its basic assignment operator is let x equal is 10 and console.log, and its double quotation is value of x and use is x and semicolon. This is a basic assignment operator assigning the value of 10 to the variable x. The equal sign is our brush and the variable is our canvas. So now I am create is addition assignment operator. So let's create is let y is equal 10 and y, and addition is 3 and then semicolon, and value of is y and it's y. So in this code we are adding 3 to the current value of y using the addition operator. It's a conscious way to increment a variable. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is 13. And now I am create is subtraction assignment operator is let's z is 8 and is z and minus and the console of z and in this line is z. So save this code and run. As you can see, the subtraction assignment is 5. So now I am create is multiplication. So multiplication operator is, so in this change is w and it's 7 and its line is w and 2. So the value of w and its value is w. So save this code and run. As you can see, the value of w is 21. So now I am also discuss is division assignment. So division assignment is like sharing a variable's value into equal portions. So let's explore. So let is q and its value is 20 and its line is q is division is 4 and in this line the value of q and its change is q. So save this code and run. Okay, the value of 5. In this code we are dividing the current value of q and 4 using the division assignment operator. It's like a distributing the variables value. So now last one I am discuss is module assignment operator. So let's create is let's r 20 and in this change is r. Then I am create is console.log is value of r and in this line is change r. In this topic is modulus assignment help us find the remainder after a division party. Let's witness it in action. So in this video code, we are finding the remainder when the current value of r is divided by 4 using the modulus assignment operator. It's like keeping the leftover. So save this code and run. As you can see is the value is 5. So in this tutorial we are explored different assignment operators in JavaScript from the basic equal sign to the compound assignment operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with others who are learning JavaScript. Stay tuned for more exciting JavaScript tutorials in the future. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello programmer, welcome to today's video. We are diving deep into the world of string in JavaScript. Strings are not just sequence of characters. They are the versatile building blocks for text manipulation and much more. So join me in this string in JavaScript. So let's get started. So what is string? What do you mean string? String is a automatically converts between string primitive and string object. You can call any of the helper methods of the string object on a string primitive. So in this tutorial I am first in declare and create is index.html for JavaScript string, and we embark on our string adventure. Let's start set up our JavaScript playground. Here a simple HTML structure linked to our string.js. And now I am creating a string. So in this file is string.js. Inside I am creating a string is first create is let and create is greeting is thesis is hello world and semicolon. And now I am create is let name and is equal is JavaScript and then semicolon. And now I am create is console. The third is console dot log method, and I am parenthesis is use greeting, and again is console dot log and parenthesis is name and then semicolon. And now in this code its use is single quotation, and in this line it again use single quotation. Okay, then use is name, and in this code we are created a string using single and double quotes. JavaScript is flexible within it comes to string inline. So in this code save and run. As you can see, the result is hello world and JavaScript. And in this tutorial I am also discuss is string concatenation. So now let's explore the string concatenation, the art of combining string. It's like merging magical and notes to create a harmony, musical and harmony. So now I am create is string concatenation. So first I am create is this line delete, and now I'm newly create is let and is first name is equal is use Java and then semicolon. And now I'm create is let method is last name and is equal is script and then semicolon. And now I'm create is string concatenation. So first time create is full name is equal first name and concatenation and double quotation and use is again last name. So then semicolon. And now I'm create is console dot log and parenthesis is use is full name and is concatenate is full name. So not first name, it's full name. Then semicolon. And in this code we are combined the string first name and last name with space in between to create full name. So string concatenation is a powerful way to building dynamic things. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is full name is JavaScript. So in this tutorial, I am also now discuss is string length. So let's measure the string length of it's like counting the beats in a musical composition. So now I am create is first I am create is let, the third is message is equal it's this is a beautiful day and then semicolon, and now I am create is console.log and parenthesis, then double quotation use is length of message and its then is message dot length, then semicolon. And in this code we have used the length and case is message and error by error I'm fixed in this, so and message. So in this code we used the length property to find the number of characters in the string message. So it's handy tool when you need to know the size of your string. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is length of message is 24. So in this tutorial we are and there you have it, the exploration of JavaScript string from the basic of creation and concatenation to measuring length. So in this tutorial is string are the musical note that compose the middle of your code. So go with, play with string, create harmonies that and let your code singing. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to for today's tutorial we are immersing ourselves in the vast ocean of string methods in JavaScript. String are more than just characters, they are a world of possibilities. Join me in mastering string methods in JavaScript. So let's get started. And now I am setting up a basic JavaScript file, and now I am create is we plugin into the string method. Let's set up our JavaScript playground. Here's a simple HTML structure we linked for string method.js file. So now I am in this string method file. Create is uppercase and lowercase functions. So let's start it with the classes. So first time create is to upper class case and to lowercase. So it's like changing the pitch of musical note. So first time create is to uppercase and to lowercase. So first create is let, and in this third in create is string method.js. Save. This is not Okay, now I am working is string method.js file. So first time create is let text is equal and message is JavaScript is amazing and then semicolon, and now I am use is let uppercase text and is equal is text dot is to uppercase and then function is semicolon, and now I am again create is let method is lowercase case text and is equal is text dot to lowercase. So function and then semicolon. And in this code now I am print section is console dot log and parenthesis and semicolon is uppercase is equal and comma and is uppercase text and semicolon, and now I'm again create is console dot log and parenthesis double quotation is use lower case and lowercase, so then semicolon. And in this code it define for using to uppercase and to lowercase to change the case of the string in this string. So it's like turning our methodology into different octaves. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is uppercase is JavaScript is amazing and lowercase and JavaScript is amazing. So now I am create is another method of string. So now I am create a slice method and substring method. So let's create a new melody with slice and substring method. It's like extracting beautiful excerpt from a musical piece. So first time create now in this code is delete, and now I am create is first create is slice and substring method. So let is lyrics is equal is of and I on dance with somebody and then semicolon, and now I am use is let slice text slice text and is equal is lyrics dot slice and it's 4 and 10 semicolon, and I'm again create is let substring method is substring text is equal lyrics dot substring and its length is 11 and 17 then semicolon, and now I am create is print function is console.log and pen double quotation is sliced text is sliced text then semicolon, and again create is console.log and parenthesis in double quotation is substring text and is substring text. So in this code we are using slice 4 and 10 to extract a portion and substring 11 and 17 to create another segment. It's like composing a new melody from an existing pieces. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is slice text is beyond and substring text is dance. So in this tutorial, I am also discuss is replace method. So let's change a note in our melody with replace. It's like modifying a musical phrase to create a variation. So now I am create is replace method. So in this method is delete, and I am newly create is let dot song and is equal create is I will always always love you and then semicolon, and now I am create is let is new song is equal is song dot replace and is use then double quotation is love first one and second is music. So then semicolon, and now I am create is console dot log and parenthesis then double quotation is original song and is use is song and then semicolon, and now again is console dot log and parenthesis then curly bracket double quotation use is modified song is new song. So save this code, and in this code we are using replace function to change love to music. It's like modifying a phrase in a musical composition. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is original song I will always love you, and modify song is I will always music you. So in this code are completely basic understanding three type string methods. First time create is to uppercase and lowercase, and next time create is slice and substring, and last time create is replace method. So string are the musical note that compose the melody of your chord. So go wait, play with string, create harmonies with let you chord sing. So feel free to adapt this tutorial and make sure to visually demonstrate each step in the code. So you as go through the video, enjoy creating your mastering string modif methods in JavaScript video. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello guys, welcome to the JavaScript new tutorials. So today we are delving into the fantastic world of string search in JavaScript. So join us on this comprehensive guide to master the art of finding and manipulating string in your JavaScript code. So now I am is discuss is overflow of string search. String search involve locating specific substring or character within a string. It's a fundamental operation in JavaScript, crucial for tasks like validation, data manipulation, and more. So in this tutorial, I am first discussed is index of method. So the index of method is a JavaScript is used to find the index of the first occurrence of a specified value within a string. So in this tutorial, so let's get started. So first time create is index of method. So now let's create is string search.js file. So let is sentence is equal and double quotation is JavaScript is fantastic topic, and JavaScript is amazing, simply amazing, and then semicolon, and now I am create is and call is let and its index of. So in this sentence and dot index of, so then is and semicolon, and then save the and console dot log and parenthesis and double quotation. Let's not use its index. The index of is and then semicolon. So save this code, and in this code you use index of returns the index of the first occurrence and -1 if the substring is not found. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is 12. So in this tutorial for string search, I am discuss is regular expression for string search. Regular expression are powerful tools for advanced string search and manipulation. So let's create regular expression for case insensitive search. So first create is let method is let and sentence is equal I love JavaScript. So then semicolon and now create is let and regular expression regex and then equal is first slash is JavaScript and then again first slash is I and semicolon. And now I am create is let method and is regular expression result is equal sentence dot match method and parenthesis is regular expression then semicolon. And now I am create is run method is console dot log and quotation is regular expression result and then semicolon and save this code. And in this code to dive into the flexibility and capabilities of regular expression for complex string patterns. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is index 8 and input I love JavaScript and groove. So this is a output of regression regular expression. So in this tutorial, you are now mastering the art of string search in JavaScript. These techniques are essential for efficient and precise manipulation of textual data in your code. So practice for using different string search methods, experiment with regular expression. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial and through JavaScript string search. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring the vast world of JavaScript. So thank you for again and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial for JavaScript. So we are exploring the powerful world of string templates. So join us on this comprehensive guide to understand how template literals and can revolutionize the way to handle strings in your JavaScript code. So what is our string templates? String templates, also known as template literals, are a feature in JavaScript that allow you to embed expression and variable directly within string. So now I am create is in this tutorial for is introduction to template literals. So template literals provide a more elegant solution for string manipulation, offering a concise and readable syntax. So now create is template literal. So first time create is let is name is equal, then double quotation use is JavaScript, and then semicolon, and now I am create is let dot greeting is equal, and use single quotation is hello, and then comma, and now I'm create is dollar sign, and then parenthesis is name method, and it's not double quoted curly braces, and then semicolon. And this is the syntax of template literals and how they simplify string interpolation. So now I am create is string interpolation. So in this line I am comment out, comment in, and its line is again int. So now I am create is string interpolation. So string interpolation is the process of embedding expression within string. So now let me create is code. So first time create is let a is equal 5, and then semicolon, and let b is equal 10, then semicolon, and now I'm create is let is result is equal, and single quotation is the sum of dollar sign and curly braces inside a, and again is b, then is again a plus b, then semicolon. And in this code is defined for and explore template literals make it easy to incorporate variables and expression directly into string. So now I am create is multi-line string with template literal. So in this code I am now comment out, and then in this okay, then create is in this template literal also enable to creation of multi-line string without the need for a special character. So now create is multi-line string. So first time create is let, and multi-line line is equal, and single quotation is this is a multi-line, and use is this is a multi-line code, and it's a it allow for easy to formatted, and I am again create is so this line I am again create is no need for characters. So in this code, and now then semicolon. So this is a multi-line code and discuss the benefits of using template literal for creating clean and readable multi-line code string. So in this multi-line code is error, but I am in this line is now fix it. So in this line is copy, and I am create is again the multi-line code. So first time create is this and copy and paste previous code. Okay, it's perfect. So this is a multi-line template literal. So you are fully create and discuss for creating clean and readable multi-line string. So in this tutorial, you are now mastered the art of string templates in JavaScript. Template literals bring elegance and readability to your string manipulation task. So practice using template literal, experiment with string interpolation, and stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thank you for joining me in this tutorial. So JavaScript string template, keep coding and keep exploring the vast world of JavaScript. So again, thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello fellow coders, today we are delving into the thrilling world of randomness in JavaScript. So random is not just chess, it's the space that adds flavor to our code. So join me in mastering randoms in JavaScript. Let's explore the tools and techniques that JavaScript provides for generating random value. So now first time create is index.html for JavaScript random and link with the random.js file. So now let's create it. For my first topic is the foundation of randoms. Our journey begins with the foundation of randoms, the math.random method. This method gives us a pseudo random numbers between 0 and 1. So let's witness its magic. So first time create and generating a random number. First time create is constant and create a random value. Value is math.random method, then semicolon. And now I am create is console.log and parenthesis and double quotation is random value and it's called is random value. So then semicolon and save this code. And in this code with math.random method, we are open the door to randomness. This value is like a key to a universe of possibilities. So let me run this code, and as you can see, the random value this where is run yields a different result. So now I am discuss is generating random integers. Let's refine our randomness by generating random integers. You can achieve this by combining that math.random method with other mathematical operations. Buckle for the read. So now I am generating for randoms integer. So let's create. So now I am create is constant and create is random integer. Random integer is equal for math dot floor, and then parenthesis is math dot random numbers. So method and create is multiplications is 10 and create is addition is 1, then semicolon. And now I am create is console.log and parenthesis, then double quotation is random integer is 1 to 10, then so it's not okay. Then call is random integer. So then semicolon, and in this line is random integer is 210. So something is wrong. Create is parenthesis. Okay. Then save this code, and in this code for with a dash of math we are refined our randomness into integer. This formula scales and shift the range. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is 2. So in the random integer 1, 4, 2, 10 is reached 2. So this gives a control over the spectrum of possible value. So now I am in this random topic. Last one discussed is rolling the dice, simulating games. So now let's bring randomness to life by simulating a dice roll, whether it's for games for simulations generating numbers with a specific range and excitement. So now I am simulating a dice roll, rolling the dice. So first I am create is for constant and create is this roll and equal for math dot floor, and it's math and dot random, then again parenthesis, and is multiplication for 6, and is increment is 1 and semicolon. And now console.log, then parenthesis and double quotation is this roll is 1 to 6. So then call for this roll and semicolon and save this code. And in this code with our dice rolling simulation we are added a touch of adjustment. Imagine the possibilities, games, simulations and dynamic content that keeps user engaged. So now let me run this code, and the dice roll is 1 to 6 is 6. So in this tutorial, and there you have it, mastering randomness in JavaScript from the foundation of math.random method to refining randomness with integer, simulating games with these roles. So in this tutorial, is embrace the choice of randomness. It's just about unpredictability. It's about ingesting life and existment your code. So go with let's randomness by your ally and may your code dance with the unpredictable. So thank you for joining me in this video. So demonstrate each step in the code editor as you go through the video, enjoying creating your mastering randomness in JavaScript video. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello fellow coders, today we are unraveling the my series of booleans in JavaScript. Booleans are the gatekeepers of logic that decide the flow of our program. So join me in demystifying booleans in JavaScript. So let's explore the world of true and false and understand how booleans shape the logic of our code. So discuss is first time create is index.html for JavaScript booleans and script is source for booleans.js file is link up. So now I am code create in this JS file. So first time create is boolean expression. So now let's dive into boolean expressions, the building blocks of logical operations. They express help us make decision and control the flow of our program. So now I am create is boolean expression. So first time create is constant and create is age is equal is 25 then semicolon, and now I am create is again constant for is adult is equal age and greater than equal is 18 then semicolon, and now I am call is console dot log and parenthesis then double quotation is adult and call is adult method then semicolon. And in this code with boolean expressions we are making decision in our code. So in this example we have determined whether someone is an adult based on their age. So save this code and run. As you can see is adult is true. So now I am creating the condition statement of boolean expressions. So conditional statements are where booleans truly shine. The if, else if and else statement allow us to create dynamic and responsive code. So now I am create is conditional statement. So first time create is constant and then create is temperature. Temperature is equal for 25 and then semicolon. And now I am create is if statement and its temperature is less than equal greater than equal is 30 then parenthesis and its console dot log and parenthesis and double quotation is it's a hot day. Then semicolon. And in this line for copy. So now I am create is else if statement, else if, and then condition is temperature is greater than equal is 20, then curly braces and paste in this line. So it's a pleasant day. pleasant day. And now I am create is else statement and condition law in curly braces is paste. This line is it's a cold day. So save this code, and in this code with conditional statement we are crafting dynamic and responsive code based on the temperature. Our code responds accordingly. So making decision on the fly. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is it's a pleasant day. So in this tutorial, and there you have it, demystifying booleans in JavaScript from the essence of true and boolean expressions and the power of condition statement. Boolean are not just values, they are decision makers in your code. So go wait, let booleans guide your logic, create responsive code, and enjoy the art of making decision in the world of programming. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello learners, welcome back to our JavaScript journey. Today we are unpacking the power of versatility of switch statements. Think of them as a traffic cops of your code, efficiently directing its flow based on different scenarios. So join me in demystifying switch statements in JavaScript. So now first I am setting up a basic JavaScript file. So just link up its source is switch.js file, and now I am creating in this file for all programs. So now I am create a switch statement for multiple classes. So what if we went the same action for multiple classes? That's where file throw in switch statements come in handy. So now let's create it a multiple class and file throw. So first time create is contact and create is day of week and is equal for, then double quotation is weekend day, Wednesday, and then semicolon. And now I am create a switch statement. So and create is parenthesis is day of week and curly braces is case for Monday, and in this line is copy so just change it. It's Monday, is Tuesday, and it's Wednesday, and let's create is Thursday, and now I am create is console.log and parenthesis its double quotation is it's a weekend day, it's a weekday, and then semicolon, and in this line copy, and now I am create is break statement and then semicolon, and so now I am create is case is Friday, and then create is console.log weekend. Now in this message is weekend is almost here. So now I am create is default parameter is default, and create is then paste, and console.log it's a regular day. So this code save, and in this code with throw we are efficiently handling multiple classes that share the same outcome. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is a weekday, and it's like having a shortcut for similar scenario. So now I am create is in this switch using for a type checking method. So switch statements aren't just for string, they can also be powerful tools for type checking. So let's see how create. And so first time create in this line is delete, and newly create is constant, and create is value is 42, then semicolon, and create is switch statement, and its use type of method is value, and then parenthesis, and create is case number is, then create is console.log it's a numbers, and break statement, and now I am create is case for string, and now create is paste. This line is it's a string, and now I am create is default parameter. So create its console.log, and parenthesis and double quotation is it's a something else. Okay, then semicolon, and in this code is save. So in this code here we are using switch to efficiently check the type of variable. So let me run this code, and as you can see the result is it's a something else. It's like having a versatile tools that adapts to different scenarios in our code. So, and there you have it, statifying switch statement in JavaScript from the multiple cases and filter using switch for efficient type checking, and the statement. So they are about detecting the follow of our code with precision. So go with the art of switch statement and may your code navigate efficiently through the lens of multiple conditions. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video tutorial. We are going to the world of the break statement. Loops are the backbone of repetition in programming, and the break statement adds a twist to how we control their follow. So join me in mastering the break statement in JavaScript. So now first I am created is JavaScript for break statement. At the heart of our exploration is the break statement. It provides a means to break out of a loop prematurely, giving us control over the loops in mastering the break statement basic. So now first time created is for loops, and let create is I equals 0 and I less than 5 and I increment. Then curly braces is console.log and parenthesis is iteration is $, and index is I plus 1 and then semicolon. And now I am create is if statement, and I in equality I in equal is 2, and then curly braces is console dot log and parenthesis is double quotation is breaking out of the loop and semicolon, and create is break statement. Then save this code, and in this code with this simple loop we are logging iterations, and when you reach the third iteration is I inequality 2, we break out of the loop. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is iteration 1, 2, 3. So breaking out of the loop, it's like having a pause button in our loops symphony. So now I am create the most important is statement in switch case for break statement, but wait, there's more. The break statement plays a crucial role in switch statement as well. So now first time create is const, not console, it's const, and create is day is equal is Tuesday, and then semicolon. And now I am create is switch statement, and parenthesis is day, then its curly braces is case and Monday, and then console.log and parenthesis is double quotation it's Monday, then semicolon, and create is break statement. And in this code is copy and paste, okay, and change it's a Tuesday, and it's Tuesday, and its change is Wednesday, and it's Wednesday. Then I am create is default statement is, then create is console.log and parenthesis is it's another day, and then semicolon, and save this code. And in this code is switch statement is case is followed by a break statement. This ensures that once a case is matched. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is it's Tuesday. We exist the switch block. It's like having a VIP pass to leave the party early. So, and there you have it, mastering the break statement in JavaScript. From breaking out of basic loops is gracefully handling nested loops for controlling the following switch statement. The break statement in your ally in writing more efficient and controlled code. So go ahead, embrace the power, and may your code break out and breakthrough. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. We are delving into the powerful world of sets in JavaScript. Sets are versatile data structure that brings uniqueness and efficiency to your code. So join me in mastering the sets in JavaScript. So now I am create is the basic introduction to sets. So at the heart of our exploration is the set. A set is a collection of value where each value is must be unique. Let's start it with the basics. So first time create is constant and create is unique numbers. Unique numbers is equal for new and set method, and use is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 and 2. Then semicolon. And now I am call is console.log and parenthesis is unique numbers, and then semicolon. This line the set of 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So save this code, and in this code we said duplicates are automatically removed. It's like having a bouncer at the door ensuring and only unique values make it inside. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see the result is printed. So this sets 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and now I am create is the working with set method, but sets offer more than uniqueness. Let's explore some essential methods that make set a dynamic data structure. So in this programming language for sets.js, I am discuss and create how to work a set methods. So now created. So first I am create is constant and create is programming and language is and new for set method and then semicolon. And now I am create is programming language
dot add method and add is JavaScript. Then semicolon, and now I am again create is programming language dot add method and create is Python and then semicolon, and now again create is programming language dot add method and quotation a double quotation is Java, then semicolon. And now I am create call the console dot log method and parenthesis is programming language dot size. Okay, then semicolon. In this line indicate this size for now I am again create is console dot log method and parenthesis is programming language dot has method and create is parenthesis and double quotation is JavaScript and then semicolon. And now I am create is programming language dot delete method and delete this. So this line, then save this code and let me run this code, and as you can see the result is console programming language size is 3 and the programming language has is JavaScript for true. So now I am again create is the programming language dot delete method and create is Python and then semicolon, and now I am create is console dot log method and parenthesis is programming language, then semicolon. And in this line to set for Java and JavaScript. So save this code, and in this code we method like add, size, has and delete. So let me run this code, and as you can see the result is set2 is JavaScript, Java and Python is deleted. So sets become a dynamic playground for managing collections, so it's like having a toolbox for your unique values. So in this tutorial, and you have there you have it, mastering sets in JavaScript from ensuring uniqueness and dynamic manipulations and sets your comparison in managing collection efficiently. So go ahead, build your unique universe with sets, and may your code be as dynamic and versatile as sets themselves. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello programmers, welcome to today's video, the introducing world of the type of operator in JavaScript. Type of is a powerful tool that our code. So join me in understanding type of in JavaScript. So now I am create is type of an undefined variable. So let's create, but what happens when we use type of with variables that haven't been defined? So let's explore. So now I am first create is let and use is defined for variables and semicolon, and now I am use is console dot log method and parenthesis is type of is it's undefined and its use is undefined variables and then semicolon. And in this code, when we use type of with an undefined variable, it gracefully informs us that the types in undefined. So now print is undefined. So it's like solving the mystery of the unknown. So now I am create is the type of and functions. So but type of isn't just for data types. So it also plays with all functions. So let's see how. So first time create is for functions and create is example is functions. Function is equal functions and then parent curly braces is return and double quotation is I am a function and then semicolon. And now I am create is and call console.log method and create is type of and example functions then semicolon. And in this code with type of we can recognize functions in our code. So this code is functions. So that is a functions, not just any value. So last one I've discussed is type of and null value. So but what happened and what null about null? How does type of handle it? So let's find out. So now I am create is the type of and null function. So first time create is constant and create is null value. Null value is null then semicolon and now I am call is console dot log method and parenthesis is so type of is null value then semicolon. And in this code it terms out type of null returns object. It's a historical quick in JavaScript. So let me run this code and as you can see the result is object. So it's like a little surprise in the language history. So and there you have it. So understanding Java type of in JavaScript. So the basic for the recognize undefined variables functions and unraveling the mystery of the type of null. Type of is your guide to understanding the type of values in your code. So thank you for watching and your JavaScript journey and you may your code type be ever clear. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello programmer, welcome. Today we are delving into the powerful world of regular expressions in JavaScript. Regular expressions are a robust tool for pattern matching and text manipulation. So join me in mastering regular expression in JavaScript. So first time create the introduction to regular expressions. So at the heart of our exploration in the regular expression, a sequence of character defining a search pattern. So let's start it with the basic. So first time create is constant and create is pattern equal is forward slash is hello and again slash and semicolon. And now I am create is the constant again, and constant, then create is text is equal is single quotation is hello Java script, then semicolon. And now I am create is console.log method, and parenthesis is pattern dot text, and again text, then semicolon. And in this code, with a simple regular expression, we can text if a pattern exists in a text. So save this code and run. As you can see, this program is true. So it's like having a search tool on steroids. So now I am again create the character classes and quantifier. But regular expressions aren't just about fixed patterns. So let's explore character classes and quantifiers for more dynamic matching. So first I am create the classes and quantifiers. So first create is constant, and create is pattern, width is classes is equal is in this is a use a 𝐸𝐞𝐬𝐿, and then again / is G, then semicolon. In this line means is match any vowel globally. So now I am create is again constant, and create is text, and text width is vowels, and equal is single quotation is hello and Java script, and again is this is a demonstration is station, and then semicolon. And now I am call is console.log method, and it's text with vowels dot match function, and quotation is parenthesis inside is pattern with classes, then semicolon. And in this code, with character classes like 𝐸𝐸𝐿 and quantifiers like G for global match, we can create dynamic patterns. So let me run this code, and as you can see, the result vowel is A, E, I, O, and it's like crafting a search query that adapts. So in this tutorial, the mastering regular expression in JavaScript from the basic of pattern matching to enhanced search and dynamic matching with character and classes quantifiers. Regular expression are your Swiss Army knife for text manipulations. So the art of pattern matching in your JavaScript journey, and may your code with the power of regular expression with fineness. So thank you for watching. And hello everyone, welcome back to today's new video tutorial. We are going through the indices of Scope in JavaScript. Scope defines the visibility and accessibility of variables in our code, shaping how we organize and execute our program. So join me in the scope in JavaScript. So now you create the introduction to scope. At the heart of our exploration of scope, it defines where variables are accessible and where they aren't. So let's start with the basic. So first time create is let and create is global variable is equal and double quotation is I am a global. Then semicolon. And now I'm use is functions and create functions. It example is functions function and parenthesis, then semicolon, and then curly braces is again create let is local variable and create is I am a local, then semicolon, and now create is console.log and parenthesis is global variable, then semicolon is again create is console.log and parenthesis is local variable, then semicolon. And now I am create is example functions and then semicolon. Now create is console.log and parenthesis is global variable, then semicolon. So in this line, the uncomment the line below the trigger and error. So console.log variable. So save this code, and in this code we have a global variable and local variable inside functions, and we can access the global variables from anywhere, but the local variable is confined to its function. So let me run this code, and as you can see the result is I am global in this, and this function inside is I am a local and its outside is I am global. So now I am create. The next topic is the block scope with let and constant. So but the story doesn't end there. With the introduction of let and constant we get block level scope. So let's create it. So now I am create is the then create this line let, and this line is comment out, and in this line again commenting. So now I am create is if statement and create is true, and then curly braces inside is again create is let and is create is block let is variable is equal double quotation is I am block and scoped with let then semicolon, and let create is constant and create is block, it's not let, it's constant variable is equal and double quotation is I am in this line is copy and this line is paste. So it's constant. Then semicolon. And in this code define unlike var, let and constant. So respect block scope. Variables declared with them are confined with the block they are declared in. It's so save this code and run. As you can see, it's a block. So it's like having a different room for each variable. So now I am create for the function scope with var. So let I am create is comment in and comment out. So now I'm create is function scope with var and let create is functions and create is example functions is var and then curly braces inside is if and true. Then create is curly braces is var and create is functions and scope and var, then equal is double quotation is. So now I am create is var and double quotation is I am functions. Function is scoped with var and create is console dot log and create is function scope variable is create is function scope var and then semicolon. And now I am create is for example functions var and this function then semicolon. And now create is console dot log and parenthesis is function scope var then semicolon. And in this code with var variables are confined to the functions they are declared in. However, they can be accessed outside of conditional blocks within that functions. So let me run this code and as you can see the result is the I am function scope with var. So in this tutorial the scope in JavaScript from the basic of global and local scope to the newcomer block scope with let and constant functions. So it's let and constant. So with scope var and the magic of the functions and scope defines how our code behaves and where our variables play. So go with the art of scope in your JavaScript journey. So and may your code visible and accessibility be orchestrated with fineness. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video tutorial. We are diving into a feature that adds a extra layer of discipline to our code. Strict mode in this mode in JavaScript, strict mode helps catch common coding errors and prevent the use of certain unsafe feature. So join me in unreleasing the power of strict mode in JavaScript. So first time create the enabling strict mode. So at the heart of our exploration of strict mode, it's like a turning on a set of rules that make our code more robust. So let's see how to enable it. So first time create is enabling strict mode. Now I am create is and use, then double quotation use is use strict, and then semicolon. And now I am create the and comment the line below to trigger an error. So now I am create is undeclared variable. So is equal 42. So this is the uncomment the line below to trigger an error. So in this code means here we enable strict mode with the directive use strict, and now atomic the use an undeclared variable result in an error. So it's like having a vigilant code in inspector. So now I am create the catching silent errors. So catching silent errors, but still strict method for mode goes beyond catching undeclared variables. It helps catch client's error that might otherwise go unnoticed. So let's create the catching silent error. So first time use is use strict for enabling strict mode. Then I am use is for the function, and create is silent error. Silent error and function and then curly braces is, and now I am create the uncomment the line below to trigger an error, and now delete that object.prototype method. So let me create is let, and create is object is equal, and curly braces is prototype, so short form, and then create is 42, and then semicolon. And now I am create is with method, and create is object, and now create is curly braces, and in this with for uncomment the line below to trigger an error, and then create is the it's create for console.log, and call is prototype method. So this is the uncomment the line below to trigger an error. So in this code, and now I am create is last one is silent error method. So then semicolon. And in this code here we have example line is delete object that prototype and with statement in strict mode. This result is error. So save this code and run. So this result is error. So in this code, preventing the potential pitfalls, it's like having a safety net for silent code killers. So now in this tutorial, I am unleashing the power of strict mode in JavaScript from catching undeclared variables to the unraveling silent errors. So the strict mode is like coach that ensure our code adheres to best practice and avoiding common pitfalls. So go ahead and unleash strict mode in your JavaScript journey, and may your code thrive in a more disciplined and error-resistant and developed environment. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello fellow learners, welcome to today's video tutorial. We are embarking on a mission to craft a JavaScript style guide. A style guide is like a roadmap for your code, ensuring consistency and readability. So join me in crafting a JavaScript style guide. So first time create is indentation and spacing. So at the core of our style guide in indentation and spacing, consistent indentation and spacing make our code visually appealing and easy to read. So first time create is the function name is the calculate sum, and it's A and B. Then curly braces is constant and create is result, and equal is A addition B, then semicolon, and I am create is return type is the result. So then semicolon, and now I am create is the constant, and it's constant, and create is x equal 10, and constant is y equal 20, then constant is sum equal is calculate sum is x and y, then semicolon, and now I am create is console.log method, and the single line is the sum is, and call is sum, then semicolon. And in this code we have a function and some variable declarations. Notice the consistent use of space and indentation. So let me run this code, and as you can see the sum is 30. So it's like creating a visual code in our program. So now I am create is consistent is bracing. So how we use braces is another chapter in our class style guide. Consistent bracing enhance code readability. So first time create is the consistency bracing. So first create is the function and create is great. Great method is name, and create is curly braces is if condition, and condition is name, and then again is curly braces is the console.log, and create is single quotation is hello, and create is the plus sign is name, again plus sign, single quotation is question marks, and then semicolon. And now I am create is else condition and parenthesis. Else statement is the console.log, and create is again is hello, and create is stronger. Stranger is stranger, then create is the semicolon. And now I am create is great method, and its single quotation is Alice, and semicolon. And now in this code here, our if else block uses consistent bracing. It's like providing a visual structure to our code blocks, so making it easier to follow. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is hello and Alice. So in this tutorial, the JavaScript style guide from indentation and spacing to naming conventions and consistent bracing in this code. So a style guide is like the artist's blueprint guiding us to build not just functional but beautiful and maintainable code. So go with your style guide in your JavaScript journey, and may your code be a masterpiece. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. We are delving deep into the realm of JavaScript classes inheritance. So inheritance is like the art of passing down tags from one classes to another, creating a hierarchy of functionality. So join me in mastering class inheritance in JavaScript. So I am previous tutorial discussed is classes intro, and in this tutorial I am basically discussed the classes inheritance super keyword. So please check it the previous tutorials. So now I am in this tutorial the inheritance class is discussed. So but inheritance isn't just about accepting with given, it's about customization. So let's explore how we can override methods in inherited classes. So first time create the class, and create is animal, and then create is parenthesis is, then create is constructor, and its name, and then curly braces is the this dot name, and create is for name, and then semicolon. And now I am create is the make sound, and then parenthesis, then curly braces is the create is console dot log method, and then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is the dollar sign for this dot name, and create is the, then create is make a generic sound, then create is parenthesis, and now I am create is gain class is cat, then create is the extends for animal class, and then curly braces, and create is make sound, and then parenthesis, and then curly braces is the console.log, and parenthesis, then create is $sign, and its index is this dot name. So now I am create is says is new m. So now I am create is the semicolon, and create is the constant, and create is my cat is equal for new and cat, and then single quotation is whisker, and then semicolon, and now I'm create is my cat dot make sound, and parenthesis, then semicolon. So save this code, and in this code is defined here. We have a cat class that overrides the makeSound method from its base class animal. This allows us to customize behavior for specific classes while maintaining a common structure. So let me run this code, and as you can see, the result is whisker says meow. So in this tutorial, the JavaScript class inheritance from the basic of extending classes to override methods, and then create in this code. So class inheritance is like the art of sculpting a hierarchy of functionality in our code. So go the master classes inheritance in your JavaScript journey, and may your code inherited the billions of structured customization. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video tutorial. We are delving into the captivating world of static methods in JavaScript. So JavaScripts are like secret weapons within our classes, provide functionality that belongs to the class itself rather than instance. So join me in unveiling the power of static methods in JavaScript. So now I am discuss the basic of static methods at the core of our exploration as a basic of static methods. So let's start with the understanding what static methods are and how they differ from instance methods. So first of all, I am create the basic of static methods. So first I am create the class, and create is the calculator, and then curly braces, then I'm create the instance method is add, and a and b, then curly braces, and create the return value is then a plus b, then semicolon, and now I am create the static method. So first I create static, and then create is the multiply, and multiply A and B. Then curly braces and create the return and A multiplication B. Then semicolon. And now I am create the uncommenting the next line with the result in the console.log. So now I'm create the first time create the constant and create is the calculator is instance is small letter is capital instance is instance, and then create is equal new the calculator and then semicolon. And now I am create the console dot log method and then create and call the calculator instance value dot add method, and then the value is 5 and 8, then semicolon. So save this code, and in this code here we have a simple calculator class with an instance method add for adding numbers, but notice the magic, there are static methods. For multiply, static methods belong to the class itself, not instance. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is 13. So we can't call multiply on an instance, but we'll explore how to call it shortly. So now I am create the calling for static methods. So now let's explore how we can call static methods and understand their role in providing utility at the class level. So first time create the calling static method. Line I will create is class and create is the circle and then parenthesis, then I am create is the constructor is radius and then create is curly braces is this method, this dot is radius and create is equal for radius, then semicolon. And now I am create the instant method to calculate area. So first time create the calculate area and then parenthesis and curly braces is create is return type, then create is the math and create is the pi method and is multiplications for this method into the radius and double multiplication is 2. Then semicolon. Each lines means the instant method to calculate area. And now I am create the static method to create a circle from diameter. So now first time create the static and then create is the create and from of diameter and then parenthesis is a diameter and then curly braces is inside again the constant, and then create the radius, and create is equal for diameter is 2, division is 2, then semicolon, and now I'm create the return value is new, and then create its circle, and then create the radius, okay, then semicolon. And now I am create in these functions the constant and create a small circle, and then equal for new circle, and then create the circle is 5, and then semicolon, and now I am create the console dot log, and create is the small circle dot calculate area, and then use parenthesis, and then semicolon. And now I am create the first time create is constant, and create is the large circle plus circle is equal for circle, and dot the create from diameter then is 10, and then semicolon. And now I'm again create the console dot log, and parenthesis the large circle dot circle area calculate area, and then parenthesis and semicolon. So save this code, and in this code our circle class has an instance method calculate area to calculate the area. So but look at the static method, the create is static method is create from diameter, so it's create a circle based on the diameter, providing a utility at the class level. So let me run this code, and as you can see the result is the static, the circle and the static. So we call it directly on the class, not an instance. So in this tutorial, our journey into the world of static methods in JavaScript, from the basic of what static methods are to calling them and explore their cases, benefits, and the static methods are like the superheroes of our classes, so providing utility at the class level. So the unveil the power of static methods in your JavaScript journey. So and may your code benefit from the elegance and organization they bring. So thank you for watching and happy coding.